Off-road buggies are built to conquer rough terrain, rocks, mud, jumps, you name it. But what actually makes them so capable? In this video, I'm using this static prototype I made to break down the core elements of a buggy: the chassis, tires, and suspension. It doesn't move, but it explains a lot. Let's start with the chassis, the skeleton of the buggy. I've used a square chassis design in this model. It's simple, rigid, and easy to understand, especially for a prototype. In real off-road vehicles, you'd often see tubular frames, which are lighter and better at handling twisting forces. But for learning and showcasing, this square setup makes it easier to see how everything connects, like the suspension points and overall structure. Now the tires. These thick, wide tires on my model represent what you'd find on real buggies. They give more grip on loose surfaces and act as the first line of shock absorption. In real off-road driving, tire pressure is kept low for better traction. While these are fixed in place, they visually show the aggressive tread and wide stance needed for off-road grip. The suspension is where off-road vehicles really shine. Even though mine doesn't move, the spring placement here gives an idea of how real buggies use coilover systems to absorb shocks from uneven ground. In action, the suspension compresses when hitting bumps and dampers control the motion to prevent bouncing. My prototype shows the basic geometry and layout used in real setups. Even as a static model, this has been super helpful for understanding real-world engineering. It's a great way for students or hobbyists to visualize concepts like load distribution, suspension alignment, and structural design without needing a full working vehicle. Real buggies follow the same logic, just with more advanced materials and fine-tuned setups. But whether it's a race car or a prototype like this, the basics stay the same: strong chassis, grippy tires, and reliable suspension. If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop a like and subscribe to Tech Explorer 31. More mechanical builds and tech content are coming soon, and who knows, maybe I'll turn this model into a working RC buggy one day.